Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Question 20, if they want you to find the stress, right, in the full size over the model, so you have to start off with the formula for stress, which is force per unit cross-sectional area. Now the problem is the force that is exerted by your load, you must change it to linear dimensions, because everything else, every dimension that is linear, the model is 1/10 of the actual. So you have to convert everything here into linear dimensions. So linear dimensions would be in meters. So what I did was I changed the force here to mg, and the mg, right, I changed it to density times volume. Now since they told me that this is a cube, all right, the what do you call it, a cube shaped load, so you can therefore say that the volume of the cube will be y cube, right? So that's why I get the y cube here. All right, so you'll be density times your y cube, which will give you your mass, times the g. And the area, right, of the cable, assuming it's circular, will be pi over 4d squared. So what you will notice is density is constant, g is constant, pi over 4 is constant. So the only variable is the y, which is the dimension of the cube, and d, which is the diameter of the cable. So use the ratio method, which is stress of the full size over stress of the model, will be y cube over d squared for the full size divided by y cube over d squared for the model. Now if you cross multiply, you'll be able to get yf over ym cube times dm over df square. Now actually I skipped one step here. If you cannot see this, then you can write y cube over d squared for the full size divided by y cube over d squared for the model. Then you'll be able to rearrange and you'll get here. And then the full size over the model is 10 times. Model over full size is 1 over 10. So put in the powers there, then you'll be able to get 10.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions, and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.